everyone, welcome back to WSQ. In our today's session, we will be learning how to use append method in files. Before we start learning about append method, let's have a small recap on what we have learned in our previous session. So guys, in our previous session, we covered with the writing method. Writing method allows us to write in a file. We were able to write inside the file if the file existed. And if the file did not existed, in that case, the write method itself created a file and write the data inside it. So guys, this was about the write method. Now we will be talking about the append method. Guys, append method is very much similar to our write method. The major difference over here between the write method and the append method is that write method removes the previous data from the file and adds the new data to it, while append method allows us to add the data to the previous data. Only it gets added towards the end of the file. So let's understand how this append method works.
Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free.
So for the append method as well, we will be opening the file first of all. So f is equals to open. The name of the file is demo.txt and I'll be opening this file in the append mode. So guys, so far we have covered 2 modes before this, that is the reading mode and the writing mode. Third, today we are discussing the appending mode. In the append mode, again, we will be writing, so it's appending, but still it's writing the data, right? So we will be using same thing, f.write, and whatever we want to write. So inside the demo.txt, suppose if I want to add Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, then I'll be writing it over here, and after this I'll be closing the file. As I keep saying again and again that closing the file is really very important. So always you remember to close the file when you end the program, or when you're done doing any method related to the file handling, just close the file as soon as you're done with that method. So let's run and see what happens over here. If I run this code, nothing happens over here, but let's go to demo.txt. You will notice over here that Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix was already written over here, but it also added the next text, that is the Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Now you might also notice over here it's not coming in the next line, it's coming in the end of the file, but not in the next line. So to add it into the next line, what you can do is, I'll just remove this single line from here. I'll come back over here. And here I'll write \n. \n allows us to go to the next line. This method we have already learned before. That \n allows us to go to the next line. So if I run this file over here and go back to demo.txt, now you will see that whatever line is going to be getting added over here, it's getting added into the next line. Now similarly, if we talk about when we do not have any file, when we do not have any existing file, suppose I'll just delete this quotes.txt from here, and this time what I'll do, I'll open a file, f is equals to open, and I'll be writing quotes.txt, and I'll be opening it in an appending mode. That's why I'll write a over here. Inside the file we will be adding a quote. So what I'll be doing, I'll be writing f.write, and I'll be writing worry less, comma, smile more, and f.close, open close the parentheses. So right now, as you remember, I have deleted that file, so this file does not exist over here. Here also you will see this file does not exist, quotes.txt, but as soon as I run it, a new file, quotes.txt, has been created, and as soon as we open it, the data is again inside over here. So that's why in the starting I said that if we do not have an already existing file, the reading and the writing mode allows us to create a file and write the data inside it. So guys, this was about the appending mode. Let's take one more example where we take a user input and we will be adding that user input to the file. So I'll go to demo.txt and remove the data from here, and I'll also come back to main.py and remove the data from here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the file, f is equals to open, and demo.txt in the appending mode, and I'll be taking the user inputs over here regarding the name and age maybe. So name is equals to input, enter your name here, and age is equals to input, enter your age here, right? Once we are done with this, I'll be adding these data inside the file. So how I'll be adding, I need to write f.write, and I'll be writing name over here, f.write, and I'll be writing the variable name over here, right in front of it. Similarly, I can write f dot right, and I'll be writing the age with the colon, and next again f dot right, the actual age, that means our variable age over here. And lastly f dot close. I'll be doing one more thing here. I'll be adding a backslash and n. After this also I'll be adding a backslash and n. And before the name also I'll be adding a backslash and n. So let's run and see what happens. I'll be asking for the name. So the name is John. John is 23. Let's go to demo.txt. You will notice over here that the name John has been added with the age 23. If I run the program again and provide it with another age and name, that is Lisa. Lisa is 25. And if I press enter and come back to demo.txt, you will now see that the name Lisa and the age 25 has been added to the file. So this is how a data can continuously get added. Whatever data you want to add to the file, you can add the data inside the file by using the appending mode, which allows the users basically to add the data by the end of the file. So guys, this was append method. In the next session, we will be discussing about pickle library. Pickle library is a library in Python which allows us to handle data. So we will be discussing briefly about that in our next session. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.